evening, everybody. I'm Komal Tomke. I represent ASUS today in Hyderabad. I take care of the entire corporate communication for ASUS India. The basically business of this company is into laptops and tablets. We also launched some convertible devices, which becomes, you can see, the hybrid devices which are there in country today. We also take proud in launching some phablets, which are phone cum tablets, which is our phone pad series. The latest launch in this product is our ME175, which is a dual SIM product. It is a very economical product. That means the pricing, if you see, it's just 12,999. It is made for the people who really can afford it. It's a quality come price qualifying product, so it is very friendly on your pocket, very light on your pocket. At the same time, we've given it a different way of technology stint. It comes with an Intel processor inside, which is one of the tablet. You've never seen this kind of innovation in any tablet. So this has been our latest stint. We also have our hybrid, if you can just see, our T100, that's a Transformer book series, who are like, we call it as a convertible, because you detach it becomes a tablet. You attach it becomes a full functioning laptop. Talking on today's occasion, this is a very special occasion for us because this happens to be our second store in Hyderabad. But it also gives us pride to announce that we've just lately announced our 100 store completion in Coimbatore. So it's really a pride moment. This we call as our 102nd store. In Hyderabad, this would be our second store which we are completing. In entire AP, we have around 5 to 6 stores already. The plan is to cover entire AP and Telangana. We surely look forward to that, and by this year end we should be completing it in around 200 stores all across India. See, presently we have a notebook share. The market share, if I talk about, it's around 5 to 7%. Presently we have that share. Obviously our dream and our goal is to double the shares by the end of this year, and we would, by as you said, as I've mentioned, the product portfolio. By having this kind of product portfolio, we really think that we can achieve that goal, because our products are, at the same time, you can see the innovation and incredible thing goes with ASUS product. At the same time, we see the market and then we prepare the product. Like I talk about the dual SIM device, and we start the product at like 15,000, and the ending range is around 1,30,000. So in this we have a huge portfolio, which is a product for everybody, like a product for every audience. Because I forte, main expertise has been the notebooks, the laptops which you see. We were the first company, the pioneers, to get the netbooks in India. The EPC series, which was started by ASUS, the mini laptop, that was the first thing. The phablet thing also was bought by ASUS in partnership with Intel. So ASUS is a company who's known for doing innovation and will continue to do so. See, that's what my branch head for AP just said, that there's a pipeline to actually acquire each and every city of AP and Telangana, and this is something we look forward to adding to that 200 number which we want to achieve in entire country. So obviously we will have a huge plans since we've come up with a second store. So there are plans to open one store at least in every city.